Hey guys, and welcome back to Tradingfyive, the channel which provides informative videos on technical analysis as well as stock market. So our today's video is on trend channel, which I can say is one of the powerful tool in technical analysis. And I have personally used this tool for many years to make out the trades with good returns. And one more special thing about this tool is that you get the entry level as well as the exit level by using this tool. So in this video we shall learn every basic thing about trend channel. But before continuing with this video, I highly recommend you to watch my video on trend identification. I have provided the link in the I button as well as in the description. Okay, so let's start with what is trend channel. So trend channel is formed using two trend lines which are more or less running parallelly and on which the price takes support or resistance. Okay, so it is the tool which is formed out of two trend lines which are almost parallel to each other, and the price takes support and resistance inside those trend lines. Now as you see on your screen, that's how trend channel looks like. You see the lines are parallel to each other and the price is taking support as well as the resistance inside the trend line. So that is what a trend channel is. And one thing to know about trend channel is that it is formed when the price is trended, either in uptrend or downtrend, not sideways. And that's the condition for trend channel. Now if you observe closely on your screen, you may find out that trend channel is more or less similar to the box type pattern which is slightly inclined. Now we all know that a box type pattern is formed in a sideways condition. So this is what that gets me to my next point, which is trend channel is nothing but a running consolidation. Yeah, but it is not like a typical consolidation where the price is moving linearly in a zone. Instead, it is a type of consolidation which is forming when the price is either uptrended or downtrended. And based on the direction of trend channel, it is broadly classified in two types. First one is the ascending trend channel, which is also called as the rising trend channel. And such type of trend channel is usually formed when the price is uptrended. That means the price is moving in upward direction by forming higher highs and higher lows. And as you see on your screen, that's how an ascending trend channel looks like. Now one question is, how do we plot a trend channel? Well, if you see in your trading software, there may be a tool specially named as trend channel. You can simply make use of it, or you can do it simply by connecting the lows and highs that are formed by the price and joining them through two trend lines. In such manner, you may get a trend channel. And in the case of ascending trend channel, we look for buying opportunities on every support. And as you see, the price is taking support over here. So we shall look for buying opportunities at this zone. And as well as we can find buying opportunities at this support too. And on the upper trend line where the price is taking a resistance, we shall look for selling, that is exiting our trade by making some good returns. And this is how we trade by using ascending trend channel. Now if you look at the second type of trend channel, which is descending trend channel, which is also called as falling trend channel, because it is formed in a downtrend, and you see the price is forming lower lows and lower highs. Yeah, so in descending trend channel, we can look for selling opportunities at every resistance. That is, at every resistance, we short the price. And as you see, at every of this resistance, we will sell the stock. And at the lower trend line where the price is taking support, we shall look for rebuying the stock. That is, exiting the trade. Yeah, so it's quite logical that when there is a support in trend channel, we shall look for buying opportunities. And when there is a resistance in trend channel, we shall look for selling opportunities. Yeah, but among this, one thing to remember is that never ever go against the trend. Yeah, which means that when the price is uptrended and an ascending trend channel is formed, we shall look for buying opportunities more than selling opportunities. And in case of descending trend channel where the price is falling, we shall look for selling the stock. Never do such stuffs like selling the stock in an ascending trend line or buying the stock in descending trend line. It is completely idiotic to go against the trend. So the rule is to be with the trend. So moving forward, let us look at the two ways through which we can make a trade using trend channel. So first one is the support and resistance on trend channel, and next is the breakout by trend channel. So we have studied the first case, which is support and resistance on trend channel, prior in this video, where we saw that when the price is taking support on the lower trend line, we shall look for buying, and when the price is resisting on upper trend line, we shall look for selling. And don't forget, you must look for buying opportunities in an ascending trend channel only. And for shorting purpose, that is for selling, you must look at descending trend channel. So this is one of the way you can make trades using trend channel. The second way is by using breakouts through trend channel. Now if you remember, I had said you before that trend channel is nothing but a running consolidation. And if the price is consolidating, it has to give a breakout. Now the breakout in trend channel is when the price crosses the supporting trend line or the resisting trend line. And as you see, if the price gives a breakout through upper trend line and confirms it like this, it is a very bullish signal. And over here we shall look for buying opportunity with a minimum stop loss which is at the previous support. And by this way we can catch a new incline in the trend. And in case of descending trend channel, when the price gives a breakout either upward or by breaking the lower trend line and confirms the breakout like this, it is a very bearish signal. And over here we shall look for selling the stock. So this is the second way through which we can make money using trend channel. But in the second case, we have to wait for the breakout to appear. Whereas in the first case, we can trade on every support and resistance. So that's the pros and cons of both the ways of trading using trend channel. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video as much as possible so that others may also get this valuable information. And to not miss such many contents on technical analysis as well as stock market, subscribe to this channel as well as press the notification bell. I will catch you up in the next video.